Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will be unboxing OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite 5G phone, which is the latest phone released by OnePlus. And recently OnePlus Nord 2 was a popular phone, and now the upgraded version OnePlus Nord 3 is available and released few days back. So let's unbox it in this video. Let us see what are the box contents for it. So first we have the invoice, and then we have the phone box, which is completely sealed pack. So let's quickly unwrap it. So here it is. After removing the polythene, we have the box. Let's see the box contents. First we got this small box with OnePlus logo, and there are so many things inside it. Let me show you one by one. Okay, so here we have first the SIM ejector pin along with some message from OnePlus team. Then we have quick guide. Then we have safety guide, some documentation here. Then we have OnePlus stickers. Then we have a membership card for Red Cable Club. Some of the benefits you will receive with this card. Then we have protective case. So here it is, the OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite 5G phone with pastel lime color. In the right side we have the power button having volume up and down at the left side along with the SIM tray. At the bottom we have 3.5mm jack, USB-C cable, charging port, speakers, and the main camera is 108 pixels. So let's keep the phone aside. Next we will see what's inside the box. So we have got the travel adapter, which is 80 watt, and finally we have the charging cable. So these were the box contents of OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite 5G phone, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos on this phone. That's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.